Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick review and unboxing of the Bunker Industries leveling kit, jack blocks, and recovery boards. They're kind of a 3-in-1 item. So the first thing I noticed as I was taking them out of the box was how hefty these guys feel. Like, these feel rock solid. And you can see here, it comes with a really nice bag as well. Everything packs down pretty compact, so it doesn't take up too much space in my vehicle either.
Nice.
And here it is, right next to my wheel for scale. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first set them up in their recovery mode. And all this is they snap together and turn into 2 long traction boards with the 10-piece. So you can see they're pretty sizable, and I got some big FJ Cruiser tires over here, so they snap together pretty easily. And it took me a sec at first to figure out how they attach, but tilting it upwards and then snapping them on down, giving it a good slap, seems to work pretty good. So when they're in the recovery mode, you want 5 on each side. And so the kit that I was sent had 10 pieces in total. I got a lot better at snapping them together the second time around. You can see my FJ Cruiser right now. I got it loaded up pretty much with all my Overland gear and my little kitchen box on the back. And so I'm going to reverse right up onto them. And you can see they stay together really, really nicely. Yeah, with a fully loaded FJ, these things can take some weight on them. And now I'm gonna put them in their leveling mode. And I'm gonna use all 10 pieces to get the maximum amount of height that I can. You can see 4 on the bottom, 3 above that, 2 above that, and then 1 right on top. So you can see here that while they do shift a little bit, they keep their shape really nicely, and once they're set in place, they stay together pretty good. Yeah, that's not moving. And once I rolled off, you can see they're still in their original shape. And so now I'm going to drive up onto them, so I'm resetting them real quick. I like how quickly these come together. You can see right here from the back view of the truck, you get some pretty good height on this. Still keeping their shape real good. They got the full weight of the back of my FJ on them. Now to pack them back up, this goes pretty quick too. I really do love this bag that comes with it. I mean, it doesn't take up much space in the back of my vehicle. I'm just throwing it in the front seat for now. But what I found works best is to stack them into 2 sets of 5. Then put the first 5 into the bag, then you'll put the other 5 in right on top of them, and you know, they stack just like Legos. And then zip it all up. I gotta say, I've been really impressed by the Bunker Industries traction kit over here. You know, everything feels high quality. The zipper sounds amazing. I see all of this lasting for a long, long time, and I'd be confident taking this out on the trail with me using the leveling kit or the traction boards if I have to. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I got some more stuff coming, so stay tuned. And a big shout out and thank you to Bunker Industries for sending me this kit to review. You guys keep up the good work. This is an awesome item. I can't wait to see what else you have in store for us.